Yo, what's up everybody, it's your favorite teddy bear here. Just a cheeky time lapse for you. Enjoy and much love. Kia ora. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that little time lapse there. Remember, we do stream from Monday to Friday on YouTube now. Much love, subscribe, click the bell icon. Much love.